Hi everyone, you know that we never suggest doing bang trims at home, but since we're not taking clients for the next couple weeks and I really want to try to prevent people from touching their face, my bangs have grown out and I find myself moving them around a lot. Or if they are growing and you're side swooping them, you're still pushing them out of your face. So I want to try to prevent everyone from touching their face and give you a quick tutorial on how you can do a quick bang trim at home without messing up your bangs, so they're not in a position that we need to grow stuff out or they become weird. So first thing to do is just kind of shake them out, and you're gonna split it into 3 different sections. You're gonna have this middle portion here, and then you want to try to push any of these long pieces away. What you don't wanna get into is any of this corner in your little recession area. That can be a make it or break it. So if you're in doubt about whether this goes forward into your bangs or should not be part of your bangs, err on the cautious side and push them away. So with that said, I've got this middle section here that I'm simply gonna just comb in my fingers, and with some pretty good tension, get your fingers right about your brow level. And what I'm gonna cut is right in the middle here. So you don't wanna cut too close to your fingers, and you wanna leave a little bit of space. So by keeping your fingers at your eyebrows, you're gonna know that you're not going to be cutting them so short that they're gonna pop up and be at a weird place. So just very easily, just cut pretty straight line. Drop those out. Now grab this section over here, comb them out, and try to bring it close back to the center. So I can see where I cut before. Just gonna do a little cut there, drop that out. Same thing on the other side. Comb this little bit out. Now see this little bit, I'm not sure if it wants to go there, if it wants to be back, so to be cautious, I'm going to pull them back. And then this little bit, comb out, bring it back to the center, and cut the same line. And then at this point, if you feel like they're too blunt and you don't want them, you want them a little piecier, you can comb them out. Same thing in your same section in the middle, but this time keep your fingers pretty high. You want to leave a couple inches, and then just go in with your scissors and very vertically just do a couple little notches. Grab that other section, comb it to the middle, keep your fingers up high in a very vertical. If you tilt your scissors at an angle, you're obviously going to take more out. So you want to try to keep it as vertical and straight up and down as possible. And then that last little section, comb it to the middle, couple little notches, shake them out. So even if you've got those longer pieces on the side, it's fine. We know we're not gonna have to grow those out. And then in the meantime, you'll be able to see, you won't have to touch your face, and that should help you through the next couple weeks until we see you soon in the salon. Take care, everyone. Stay healthy.